What is up, guys? Check it out. I got Wookie Jones with me. We're just holding on like a hubcap in the fast lane, man. We're trying to make something happen tonight. O'Reilly's, right?
We need to get everybody out, man. Bring the bikes, bring the cars, ride the tricycle. We don't care. Bring the kids, man.
Yeah, just come out and see us. We're going to be out at O'Reilly's on the back lot and the side lot, guys. Stay out of the main way if they're open. You know, just stay out of the way of the customers, whatever, you know what I mean? They're going to let us use the side lot and the back lot.
No burnouts.
Yeah, don't be crazy.
Be respectful.
Yeah, be good, guys. And just come out, hang out, have a good time. You know what's up. So that's what it is. We're going to be at O'Reilly's about, what, 7:30? 7:38? I don't know.
Hey,
it's 4 o'clock now, right?
Y'all inbox us.
Yeah.
Let us know like what time y'all working with. We can go from there.
Yep. Yep. That'll work too. Elsewise, I'm just gonna plan on showing up around 7:30, 8 o'clock, somewhere in there. Yep. And I think it'll give it cool down a little bit. It won't be so hot.
Yeah, I
know. Definitely so. But yeah, come out, join us, guys. Come out, hang out, see what's up. I'm gonna take the mini truck and we'll try and pull the Blazer out. See if we can get that out. What will you bring in? Bring the box?
I think I'm bringing the box.
Ooh, he's bringing the box.
I got a couple other people that's talking about showing up on bikes.
Nice.
So we have a couple bikes out there. So.
Right now he's putting a box in a box.
If not, I can. Yeah, it's retarded.
It's like a box of socks, but it's a box of
box. If not, I get a ride back. I'll bring the bike up there too.
Yeah, there you go.
That is what it is.
Heck yeah, guys, come out, join us, bring them out. Melvin Cremens, if you see this, bring the Camaro, man. We would love to see that thing. That thing is awesome. And he just got a new carbon fiber ZL1 style hood. All carbon fiber, yeah. And this winter, he went and had, let's see, carbon fiber drive shaft and axle put on it. And it was already 850 horse. He got the dyno sheets to see. You've seen the video. Man, that thing's sick. Melvin, if you get this, come out and see us, man. It'd be awesome.
Man. Y'all get bored, man. It's Saturday night.
Yep.
They had the car show earlier. We're doing something else.
Yep.
Like,
we're just cruising, man. Come in and hang out. That's what we're doing. In the side lot and in the back lot there at O'Reilly's right there in Nappanee. It's on Oakland Avenue, man, right across from Arby's. Yep.
Can't miss it.
Nope, can't miss it. All right, guys, that's what it is. We're getting out of here. Woogie's got stuff to do. I got a few things to do. We'll see you guys tonight about 7:30 or so. All right, that's what it is.
Chevy gang.
Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.